Hi everybody, it's Daniel Pullen. I have the opportunity to serve here at TCU as the John V. Roach Dean of the Neely School of Business. And I thought I'd just share with you just some quick updates on how our first week of remote learning went here at the Neely School at TCU. And of course it went amazingly, and that's because of you and all of the incredible innovation and leadership that you've shown in the classroom. Our faculty and our IT team came together in a great way to make the software work. I understand many of the classroom discussions were quite interactive, and students were helping students and faculty were helping faculty and vice versa to really create a robust learning environment that you would expect here at the Neely School. Outside of the classroom, the student support services continue to be quite strong. The online advising was successful from all estimations. We're spending a lot of time on career services right now, obviously with the pressures on the economy as a result of the novel coronavirus situation. We are really paying close attention to what's going on with all of our students, with internship and full-time placement opportunities. We're in open dialogue with all of our key corporate employers to make sure that we understand that if there are changes, we know about them soon, and we have an opportunity to work with each and every student to make sure that we're still arm in arm as we're helping you achieve your career aspirations during this challenging time. In fact, we have an all-new website that captures all the tools and resources around career placement. That's going to be linked on our homepage. So just go to neely.tcu.edu and you'll find all the information you need to make sure that we're continuing to progress as you look toward career placement, either for your internship or for full-time placement. Also beyond the classroom, there's a lot of really innovative things going on. A few things that crossed my desk this week were in our entrepreneurship program, we have a really great program called Create, powered by the Shattuck Seed Fund, where students are able to pursue their entrepreneurial passions and apply for real seed funds to get their ventures off the ground. We've moved that to a virtual environment, and I understand that the feedback has been very, very strong between our students and our faculty, so that those new companies that we probably need now more than ever can continue to flourish during this challenging time. Over in our Sales and Customer Insights Center, we had a very successful event where over 200 students came into a virtual conversation to talk about the benefits of upskilling in the topic of sales, as well as to become exposed to the new opportunity we're providing to all Horned Frogs, regardless of major, to get a certificate in selling. So you can add that to your toolkit as well. And then over in finance, some of our amazing finance students and others are coming together to deliver workshops and seminars on advanced Excel skills for the workplace, which is just so foundational as you get up and running, particularly if you're a finance major and graduating into the financial services industry. There's a lot more I could share with you for now, but I just wanted to say thank you for a great first week. Your leadership and your innovation were on full display as we've come together to do as we always do, and that's to fulfill the Neely promise. Thanks again, and go Frogs.